Hello and welcome to Butler.Head.Quarters, and today we are back with a BMW E36 318 automatic. Last episode we cleaned all the outside, we polished it and we waxed it. Then we're going to move on to the inside and see what we can do in here. It's very dusty, it's clean but dusty, so I've been tasked to clean it up, hoover it out and make it a bit more presentable. Like I say, it's all there, but I've just been tasked to clean, hoover it out and make it look presentable and nice. Now, as you can see, there's dust. More dust. There's some trims in the back. The door. So what I'm going to do is get the autoclean rubber clear out and get to work on cleaning it up. Nothing more or nothing less really, but we should still see a nice improvement. It'll be a nice place to sit and drive once it's all clean and hoovered. Poor boy's chair air freshener, autoclean vinyl rubber care. We've got some cloths that I want to use for outside. And first of all, I'm going to empty anything from in the car into the boot. And as luck would have it, it's raining. So we might have to stop and start a bit, we'll see. The only thing they're putting SE mirrors back on. But if you can get some base plates, or now have a link to some cheap base plates that will fit to them mirrors, to the E36, let us know. Drop us a comment down below or an email. Oh. That is, looks like cheese. Not the one that was. Other side of the car and get these trims out. I swear there was some trims in the boot, but no. So we've got two door trims, and we've got is that a wing trim? And we've got a front wing trim. So it needs to get a passenger side wing trim. Now normally, normal circumstances, I would hoover the car first, obviously. But we're going to make do with the time we've got, the time allowances we've got. This stuff is really good. Really good. So I'm doing this a bit back to front. Obviously it's raining and I want to get the interior clean. I want to get another video out on Lacy. I'll just call her Lacy, I don't know what to name it. But it's going to come off the trailer when I was delivered. I thought, oh, Lacy, so I don't know what. Not a clue. As the cloth gets damp again, sort of easy to use, because there's access on the cloth. Now, I did get a comment on Instagram about, oh, why don't you black bikini grills? Why don't we paint my wheels black? The wheels would look nice black, the bikini grills would nice black. This is not a Butler.Head.Quarters car, this is a friend's car. We're just giving it a clean, helping it out, because when it arrived it was riffy. And that's really the long and short of what's happening. Yeah, if it was one of our fleet, or our cars, we would be doing the kinder grills black, we would do the wheels black, because I think black and red would sit the car. But this is not our car to do what we want with. We are simply just giving it a clean, because it looks like it hasn't been cleaned in years. Well, we know it hasn't been cleaned in years, so that's what we've been doing. You bet your bottom dollar if this was ever doing us, I'd have the kinder grills blacked. I'd have had the wheels done satin black. But it's not ours to do as we're pleased with. Oh, this mat can come out. One mat, two mats, 4 mats. That's 1, 2, 3 mats this head. Now I know you're not supposed to do this, but this car is not being driven for at least another couple of days, and I will come around and make sure everything's dry before it goes on its merry way. Now it's manking, we need to over it, and we should be over it first, but again we're racing against time. We are doing it in the rain. We're basically making the best out of a bad situation. The door should do need cleaning as well. This water gleam is a lovely one. I think the rain started to come down now, so I'm going to have my cup of tea and then get back to this in a minute. So it's still raining and then I'm still running out of time. So I'm going to do this all the carpet mess. I'm going to take under the shelter and over, adapt, improvise, overcome. Is that what we're saying? Yeah, so at least we'll be doing something. I'll just wait for rain to pass. Which is never wanted. Car's got really loads of mats. It's literally loads. I'm gonna open the rubber one. I don't need it. And a couple of hours have elapsed over this period. It's been raining all day. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get some old cloths. I'm going to clean all the door shuts and in the windows as well, the inside of the window. The inside will be pretty much done, mate. You might tell I haven't done much on the back or my seats, but the seats look like 27-year-old from a car, or they've been re-leathered or something, and I've got no soft leather cleaner or no soft conditioner, so that's what the owner can do to get intellectual with his car when he gets it back. I'll just test to make it look nice, clean it all up a bit and all that, but there's some stuff I think the owner would like to do, and that is clean all the leather and stuff, especially with a product. I don't want to be using stuff that I use on the E34 leather, because that's thick leather. I know what leather likes. I don't know what this leather likes. I've trialled and errored. Dad's trialled and errored with stuff to use on the E34 leather. I don't know what this leather will like, or it will affect the leather. So it looks alright, the leather ain't dirty or nothing, but if your owner is unhappy with the leather, you can try and error and see what works best for him. But I don't want to be the person testing. So it's been a bit of a grueler today. Rain, stop, it's been really horrible. But we have managed to get interior looking presentable, clean. The dash has been done in auto clean, vinyl ribbon care. It's been hoovered out. I have not done the back cards or the seat, because the back cards are not that dirty, and again, when you're messing with stuff that's 27-year-old, you have to be careful about your stuff. You can't just a new Audi, a new BMW or a new Ford, where you can just whack stuff on and just, it'll take it. I didn't do the leather. Like I said before, we have trialled and errored on the E34 leather. We know what we like, we know what we don't like. I do not know what this leather likes or we don't like, and I don't want to be, not being the owner, I don't want to have a responsibility of using something that I like, a leather care I like, and it ruining the leather. I don't want to take that chance. So it's clean. It could be with the leather, could just be a wipe over, but I don't want to do that. The leather looks clean to me for the age of a car. I don't think that we need to go in there and deep clean it yet. And I'd like to take this opportunity to say thanks for all the subscribers, thanks for all the comment section. I like a nice comment section talk, and when people do comment, I can get back to them, we can integrate. That's really nice. We've got 2 more episodes, maybe 2 more episodes, the engine bay and the shuts for the boot shuts. Then we have like a walk around video and how it's changed and the overall look of Lacy. But I'd like to say thanks for watching till this point. Please like, subscribe and comment. If you want to comment down below, we'll have a chat. I'm all for that. We are on Instagram and Facebook. But until next time, bye bye.